Hello friend, today I am telling Indian motorcycle evolution. The first model is Indian motorcycle is 1901. Indian first V2 1905. Indian first street version V2 1907. Indian 5 HP light to 1909. Indian twin head Storm 1911. Indian 7 HP 1912. Indian board track Razor 1912. Indian big tune 1913. Indian Power Plus 1916. Indian Model K 1916. Indian Model O 1917. Indian Power Plus 1920. Indian Chief 1922. Indian Prince 1926. Indian AC 4 cylinder 1927. Indian 401 1928. Indian 101 Scott 1928. Indian Big Chief 1928. Indian 402 1929. Indian Hill Climber 1929. Indian Standard Scout 1932. Indian Junior Scout 1932. Indian Crocker Speedway 1933. Indian Sport Scout 1934. Indian 4 1936. Indian Dispatch Tau 1939. Indian 4 Model 440 1940. Indian 841 1942. Indian 741 1942. Indian Chief 1946. Indian Chief 1948. Indian 149 RO 1949. Indian 249 Super Scout 1949. Indian Chief Black Hawk 1950. Indian Trailblazer 1955. Indian Woodsman 1955. Royal Enfield Indian Tomahawk 1956. Royal Enfield Indian Apache 1957. Indian Woodsman 1958. Indian Lance 1958. Indian Westerner 1959. Indian Velo 500 1970. Indian MM5A Mini Bike 1970. Indian Super Enduro AC74 1972. Indian Chief 1999. Indian Glory Scout 2001. Indian Spirit 2002. Indian Chief 2006. Indian Chief Classic 2014. Indian Chief Vintage 2014. Indian Chieftain 2014. Indian Roadmaster 2015. Indian Scout 2015. Indian Scout 60 2016. Indian Chief Dark Horse 2016. Indian Chieftain Dark Horse 2016. Indian Chieftain Limited 2017. Indian Roadmaster Classic 2017. Indian Springfield Dark Horse 2018. Indian Scott Bauer 2018. Indian Springfield Dark Horse 2019. Indian Scott Bauer 2019. Indian FTR 1200 2019. Indian FTR 1200 2019.